Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry, first off, that I have not been on YouTube lately and creating more content. It's for a really funny reason actually, so I'll just make it quick. So I have this really nice tripod that I use with my camera here, and I had bought an attachment for it recently that I put on it, and it's so I can do my videos like perpendicular, horizontal. Because I'm also an artist and I've been sharing how I do my art on my personal Facebook page. So, and the problem is I can't figure out how to take it off of the tripod. So I'm sure you guys are rolling your eyes, but sometimes technical stuff is really hard. So I just need to go back to the camera guy and have him take it off. But bear with me, please. I have gotten a few things from Coach, SLGs, and I might make a separate video for that. That I haven't shared, and then I think some small Dooney purchases, I can't remember, but today I have an interesting unboxing for you. No, this is not from the Glitch sale, although I did order something from there, I can't remember. Yeah, oh yeah, but I ended up returning it. I didn't like it anyways. But this is not with the Glitch sale. It's from ilovedooney.com, and this is a bag I've never had before, and I was just like in retail therapy mode, but also I got it for a really good deal. I am concerned, as you can see, it's actually a very large box. Now, as you know, I like medium-sized bags to small. This is like one of the largest bags I've seen from Dooney. I've watched videos on it before I purchased it. I think one was from Carmen Hawkins. Oh, I don't think it was Carmen Hawkins, but I'll have to credit you in my description. I can't remember what your name was, but if it comes to me, I'll remember. But she did a really good review, and I've seen other reviews, one from DJ King, and I like how you guys are presenting the bag, but like I'm judging by this size, it might be too big for my skinny body, but I don't know. But a lot of you guys, I'm not putting anybody down. I'm just like, I have to figure out what fits best with my, my weight and my height. This seems really big, the box. So once again, not harping on anybody, but I love the reviews you guys are putting out. It actually looked really good. So let's get into it right now. Like I said, this, you might not be able to tell, but yeah, I put my camera on a pillow, but sorry if it shakes. I apologize. This box is the hugest box I've ever received, ever. From Dooney & Burke or I Love Dooney. So, might have to return it, and that's okay. Alright. Ooh, and I got it in one of my favorite colors. Oh my. Okay, so first thing I see, you guys may have seen this has been on other channels, is this lovely brochure. I've actually already received this in the mail, and it's talking about the all-weather leather 3.0 or 4.0, whatever the heck. But it's too darn expensive for me. But I'm going to wait till they go on sale. Then I am going to get the satchel. I love what Dooney creates. So hopefully this is a good all-weather leather. But check out Dooney.com. It's going to be under new arrivals. So I already did read this. So thank you. Okay, so let me take this out real quick. Oh, this is big. This bag is big. Here she is. Okay. So, yep, you can see it. So, as you can see, this is the Dooney Burke Steel Blue Large Hobo. It just says it's Large Hobo, but I believe it's either the Camden, Large Camden, or it used to be called Fielding from QVC. So, go figure. But it's called the Large Camden. And it's still available from I Love Dooney, but not in this color. So what I'm going to do is see if I'll be careful with this. It looks like it's not a return. I can't tell for sure. It's hard not to rip this plastic because it's like really stuck on there. So don't get mad at me if I ruin the plastic. But yeah, it's the only way I can open it is it kind of rips. But we'll be careful. See if I like this. Okay, I got it at a killer deal. I got it at a really good deal. I forgot to mention that. So, if I do keep it, it won't be too bad. This is huge. Okay, so, you guys, let's see. I don't know if it's my camera or my yellow walls, but it's not coming off true, true to color. But in person, I do notice something kind of weird. So like these bags generally in person, they're just slightly more, they're not yellow as you see it on my camera here on the video. It's more of a gray blue. But what I notice right now, because I've bought in steel blue Florentine before, I remember it being more of a rich kind of purpley blue. But this is almost more gray. But that's neither here nor there. It's still cute color. So what I want to do, I want to open it. So it comes with a front pocket. Got your feet on the bottom. And by the way, you guys, this is a huge bag. If you don't like huge bags, don't get it. But I got this for the purpose of just on the go, you know, when I go to church or when I go to my class there, I can put my books in there, my notes. So that's what my purpose of this is. All right. Let me take some of the stuffing out because I'm going to see how it drapes. Okay. So here's the strap. And it's a little bit bent right there, but I can fix that. So it comes with a wide strap, you guys, so that's perfect. Okay. So what I want to do, oh, this is huge. Huge bag. But I'm not going to take out all the stuffing. Let's see if you can see that. Yes, you can. So it is the hugest bag I've ever seen, well, bought from Dooney. So you have one zip pocket here and then one slip. Then on the front wall, you've got two slip pockets. So standard Dooney setup. And it came with a dust bag. So I don't think it's a return. Oh, I think it could have been returned. This is the sticker. It was loose in the pocket. So it could have been. It smells great. The only thing is, you guys, look, there's no green suede. I'm like, why is that? So let me just put this back in here. I'm going to show you. It's pretty. Okay, let me zip it up first. Oh, the zipper tape is kind of squished. Okay, so how the bag is supposed to look, so I'm not ruining it, is like this. Actually, let me take out the strap for just a second. All right. So it's supposed to look like this, and then just imagine it clipped on there. Well, actually I can clip it. Nope, I can't. So, because it has the plastic on, but here she is. Yes, you can see it. But like I said, in person, you guys, this is more of a rich blue-gray. It's not yellow at all. But in my camera, for some reason, it doesn't like picking up steel blue correctly. All my other bags, it does a pretty good job at showing the true color. But yeah, so here she is. I might keep her. So anyways, oh, sorry I bounced it. But yeah, it's supposed to drape like that. So here's the back, and it's really smooth. There's no pebbling. It smells great. Let's see. I can't really put on my shoulder because then I have to take off the plastic. Oh, let's see. I'm just trying it on here. I would say, you know, I might end up returning this because I've just put it against my body. Like I said, I'm kind of skinny. It's so huge. It's like, it overtakes me. It's like, but some people love those kind of bags, like even though like it's such a large bag, but it is good for, you know, class. So let me see. Let me look at it again real quick. I mean, this bag is huge. So yeah, I think what I'm going to do, you guys, is, but yeah, here she is close up. It's not coming off true to color, but yeah, it's more dark in person too. I think I am going to return it, but that's okay. It's like, I tried it, but it's just so big. But she is so smooth. So let me know what you guys think. Have you ever gotten this bag in this size? And if you did you like it? Or why didn't you? But yeah, I think just for me personally, you know, it's too big for me. But yeah, she'll probably go back. But I will show you in the next video what I got for my Coach SLGs. That's what I have gotten lately that I haven't been able to film because of the filming setup. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I've been meaning to show you guys that. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas and a happy holidays as well. I hope you guys have a good time, and Also, Happy New Year. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.